Aloha everyone, welcome back to my channel Stuff Like This. My name is Alyssa and I live on the island of Oahu in Hawaii. And today we will be cash stuffing a portion of my last paycheck of March and first paycheck of April. Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for joining me today. I know this video has been long overdue, and again it's been almost a month since my last upload, but so much has happened between the last video and now, and I know that I was gonna update you guys on what was gonna be going on, but I just got so busy with fulfilling orders, and then what I was going to share with you guys, if you haven't already found out by my Instagram, is that I had my first pop-up shop. This happened on April 2nd, and I was a part of a boba stop and shop event in Honolulu, and I only had about 2 weeks in advance to prepare, and it was just such a great opportunity because I would have never imagined or thought that I would have this opportunity, only being in business for almost 2 months. And so I had to think of ways to kind of promote my cash stuffing business and stationery. I know that a lot of the envelopes and binders that I sell are personalized, so that was kind of different. When you do a pop-up, you can't really do things that are personalized. So what I had was binder sets, bundles that had, it was kind of like a starter bundle, so I had common categories for the envelope. So in all, it was such a great experience. I had great help from my mom, my dad, my boyfriend, and my mom, she helped me so much. She cut a lot of these papers. I taught her how to do it, and now she's a pro at cutting. But long story short, during the event, we only had it for 1 hour, and then a big storm came by and it was just raining and flooding, and we all had to close up early. So that was maybe an hour and a half after it started. So unfortunately we had to pack up, leave, and it wasn't what I had hoped for, but in all, it was such a great experience because during that first hour, when it was still sunny, I had, people come by that were curious, some that, have heard of cash stuffing and they seen it on social media. So I thought that was really cool. And then all the other vendors that were around me, they were super nice. And a little story is that when it started flooding, actually our tent started to collapse because of the weight of the water, and the tent just couldn't hold up that amount of water. And so it was just me and my mom at the time. My boyfriend and my dad had just left, and then some of the other vendors around us saw that our tent started to collapse, so they're trying to help us hold up the tent and try to bring the water from the top of the tent over the sides. And we all ended up getting wet, but in all, we got to know each other a little bit better, and I thought that the support was great. This experience was very valuable in me learning more about myself and this business. So I'm happy that I had that chance to, learn, even though it didn't work out. Okay, so other than that, I hope everyone has been doing well, and let's get started. The sun is going down, so hopefully I can get this video going before the sun goes down. But today we're cash stuffing a portion of 2 paychecks, so you know, it's a little bit more money, and then I do have my little binder on the side with my cash breakdown. So let's go ahead and count out the cash. So we have 51, 52, 53, 54, 55, 56, 650, 670, 690, 710, 730, 750, 770, 790, 810, 830, 850, 870, 890, 910, 930, and 950. So we're cash stuffing a total of $950, and as you can see, I have a lot of 50s and I have a lot of 20s, and that's because I did not have time to go to the bank to get some denominations, so I am just making do with the 50s and the 20s. Okay, so first off, we're going to start off with my short-term binder, and we will be cash stuffing bills. So bills will get a total of $300. So we are going to do, let's see, 51, 52, and then 20s. So 20, 40, 60, 80, 100. So that should be 300. 51, 52, 20, 40, 60, 83. Okay, so bills all together has 152, 253, 350, 370, 390, 410, 430, 450, and 470. So 470 for bills. Next we have golf, and golf will be getting $40. So 20 and 40. Altogether, golf has 51, 20, 40, 60, 80, 200. So 200 for golf. Beauty has $50. So altogether, beauty has 50, 70, 90, 110, 130. 130 for beauty. Anniversary will be getting $170. So you have 150, 170, 51, 150, 170. So altogether, anniversary has 51, 52, 53, 20, 40, 60. So 360 for anniversary. Okay, so that's all for my short-term binder. Next, we're going to go on to my long-term binder. And we have emergency. So emergency will be getting the usual $20. Okay, so altogether, emergency has 100, 152, 253, 20, 40, 60, 84, 20, 40, 60. So $460 for emergency. Next we have car expenses, and car expenses will be getting $40. So altogether, car expenses has 51, 20, 40, 60, 70. So 170. Next we have future. Future will be getting $20. So we have 51, 20, 40, 51, 20, 40, 60, 82, 20, 40, 60, 80, 280. Next we have gifts, and gifts will be getting $20. So gifts has 20, 40, 60, 70. Oops, let me fix that. Okay, next we have holidays, and holidays will be getting $20 as well. So we have 20, 40, 60. $60 for holidays. Parents will be getting $50. So altogether, parents has 50, 70, 90, 110, 130. Okay, Lucy, Dash, and Ollie will be getting $20. So altogether, 20, 40, 60. Okay. And let's see. Okay, so we'll be cash stuffing my on-the-go envelopes. So for myself, I won't be giving myself anything, but altogether I do have $15. Okay, next is eating out, and eating out will be getting $40. I'm not too sure what happened here. I think I made a mistake somewhere. Did I make a mistake somewhere? So I'll leave this on the side and eating out. Grocery will be getting its normal $50. Household should be getting $20. So you know what I'm going to do? I am going to make change for two 50s, and I'm going to get traded in for $100. So let's see. I think I can do it for future. So I'll do 100, and I'll put two 50s here. Alright, oops. Alright, so I got a 50 and I have 20s. So I'm going to put $20 for household and $40 for eating out. And then that leaves me with $90. Okay, so this is gonna go towards my 100 envelope challenge. So I have 50 and a 40, so I'll be cash stuffing 2 envelopes, and that will be 40, and I'll be doing 50 for the 48. Okay. Alright, so we've made it to the end of the video, and as you can see, it is getting dark. So, lastly, I do want to share some updates with my shop and the newest items that I have. So, just a reminder, if you're not following me on Instagram, my link will be down below in the description. But because it is the month of April and it is my birthday month, I have a sale going on my website. My online shop, the whole thing is 10% off your entire purchase for the entire month of April. And on top of that, every order gets a free gift like usual, but this month the free gift is a large holographic pouch. So this is the large holographic pouch, and as you can see, it is larger than this pouch. But look how pretty the colors are. You see? Okay. And then there's a lot of room. You can put anything in here. You can put cash, you can put accessories, your makeup. But I really love holographic items. But with each order, on top of the 10% off, you can get a free holographic pouch just like this. And then my newest bundles, the ombre orchid flowers, and then it comes with the gray leather binder, and then the lettering is this silver glitter vinyl. Isn't that pretty? And then we have different colored orchids. Okay. Isn't that pretty? And then I'll show you what it looks like with cash inside. Let me get like a $10 bill. So it's the peekaboo style envelopes, and that's what it looks like. Here we go. It's a close up. Isn't that pretty? Okay. So on my online shop, you can get just the individual envelopes if you like, or you can get them as a bundle with the binder and 5 envelopes, and then you can pick your personalized categories. And then I also have the Island Leaves bundle and envelopes. So this is the green leather binder, and then these are the Island Leaf envelopes, and then with this bluish greenish vinyl. Isn't that nice? Okay. I really like the colors in this one as well. And then I'll show you what it looks like with some cash in it. So it looks just like that. Okay. So don't forget, these are all 10% off, including everything else on my online shop. And on top of that, you can get this free large holographic pouch. Okay, so thank you so much for watching, and I hope you have a good rest of your week. Tomorrow is Friday for me, but by the time I get this video out, it might be the weekend. But however, if you are watching this during the week, I hope you have a great rest of your week. Have a great weekend, and I'll see you all in the next video. Bye!